What is up, vlog? Welcome back to another moving vlog. I said vlog a million times. So it's already been a pretty long day and I just haven't vlogged anything because I've just been running around with my family. But I did go down to my mailbox and I picked up things that I ordered from Amazon. So I'm gonna show you guys that really quick. I got this little Smart Star projector, and it hooks up with my iPhone, and apparently it connects to Google Home because I just got a Google Home. Hey Google, what's the weather for today?
Currently in Los Angeles, it's 58 degrees and clear. Tonight, the forecast is for a high of 57 and a low of 49 and clear.
We love to hear it. I honestly love having a little like Google Home. It's so fun. Anyway, so I got this because it connects with my Google Home and my iPhone, and I'm gonna put this in my bedroom if I want to just set the mood, you know, have a vibe. And then I got this cookbook. As you guys know, I really don't know how to cook, so this is a super easy cookbook for beginners, aka Tila done. So I'm excited to check that out. And then I got some drinking games, or some like board games and drink games. This one's called the best friend game. So when my friends come over, we can see if they're really my best friend or not. And then I got this. I don't know why I got two of these, or maybe they're just like, I don't know, but I got Do or Drink, which obviously is a game for my friends that are 21 and above. But I'm excited. Do or Drink. I don't know why I have two, but the more you know. And my mom and I went grocery shopping today and we got a ton of shit, so I'm gonna be set for a long time. So this is basically going to be a grocery haul and me putting my shit in the fridge. If you guys have any snack recommendations or like easy recipes that you guys want me to cook, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to like Google it and then vlog me making stuff, or I could do it for my Tila Try series over on my IGTV. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you guys do that. Every single Friday I upload a video and I try new things. So yeah, okay, enough of the rambling. Now it's time to show you guys what I got from the grocery store. First things first, I got these bomb, I forgot what this was for a second. I got these crispy apples. I freaking love apples. They're really good. They make for great snacks, especially if you cut them up and put peanut butter on the side. Oh, that is so freaking good. And then speaking of fruit, I got cuties. I don't know about you guys, but I think cuties are so freaking good. I'm obsessed. So I got a ton of those. I got these pretzels. These are my favorite, and I got the party size because duh, why wouldn't I? But these are so good. These go great with hummus, cheese, anything. Nothing's in order. I'm kind of just grabbing as I go, but I just want you guys to see everything that I got from the grocery store. So I picked up some butter. I saw Trisha Paytas use like fancy butter for her buttered pasta that I will be making soon. So I got like the fancy butter just inspired by Trisha Paytas. And then I got some Oreos. These are the double stuffed ones, obviously. Those are the best ones ever. I got crackers, and I got a bunch of cheese as well because I love like cheese, crackers, and wine. I think it's so yummy. It's so filling and it's delicious. I got easy mac and cheese, of course, because I'm no chef here, you know. Let's just take one thing at a time. You know, it's a process. It's a marathon, not a sprint. But yeah, so I got this. I actually got two of them. I don't know where the other one went, but I got that. I got the squeezable lemon thingy for cooking because it's important. And then I got some TV dinners. This is the Stouffer's brand, and this is just baked chicken and potatoes. I just feel like that's like a quick and easy dinner if I'm like feeling really lazy. And then I got yellow cheddar cheese and just turkey breast, so I can make sandwiches. I got really good bread too, and obviously mayonnaise. So. And I got spaghetti, just normal spaghetti for when I make my buttered noodles. I got sausage, turkey sausage for the mornings. That's like really good for breakfast for like protein whenever I'm working out. And then guys, I got brie cheese. I freaking love brie cheese. It's so good. I'm obsessed. And you like, if you warm it up in the microwave for like a couple seconds before you dip that cracker in, I'm telling you, brie cheese is superior. It's so good. So good. Then I got salt and pepper and garlic powder for obviously for cooking. So I'm gonna put that in my Lazy Susan. I have a Lazy Susan, by the way, which is so cool. Love that. And then I got cup of noodles because, again, I'm no chef, so I just got a ton of those. You can never go wrong with cup of noodles, let's be real. You really can't. You really can't. So I got a ton of those. And I got just some paper bowls. Love that. I got some ice cream. This is Baskin Robbins. This one's called icing on the cake. So I'm assuming it's like cake batter. And then I got cotton candy ice cream. And I got another one of the cotton candy ice cream. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my freezer right now because it's literally melting and that is not cute. I'm really excited to try the icing on the cake flavor. It seems like it's so good. Here it is. Then I got another thing of mac and cheese because again, I'm a child. Then I got bagels because I love cream cheese bagels in the morning. Maybe it's just the East Coast in me, but freaking love that. And then this is the bread I got. It's sourdough bread, which is so good for whenever I make like turkey sandwiches and stuff. I just feel like that'll be so good. Healthy lunch, we love it. I got eggs, obviously. It's good for baking, good for the soul.
Hey y'all.
My mother has arrived.
Hi.
But
we about to get busy. Gotta clean up. Gotta get it on.
gotta get it.
How y'all doing?
Gotta get it. I got more cuties and
I'll help you.
then of course I had to get chips because I'm a snacker. So I got Pirate's Booty. I actually really like Pirate's Booty. It's super good. And this is like the individual pack, so it's 12 packs. And then I got Hot Cheetos. Obviously, if you know me, you know I love Hot Cheetos. And then I got 2 bags of the Ruffles All Dressed. Ruffles All Dressed chips are so good, guys. If you ever see this in your store, grocery store, go pick it up. I'm telling you, so good. It's so good, I literally got 2. Cause I already know.
Put these away.
Okay, yeah, so good, so good.
Gotta keep it neat, y'all. She was
And then-
very strict, but she get it from her mama. Y'all know.
I'm just gonna unbox everything because I just hate,
Yeah, it's better.
I hate too much packaging. It's not a, ugh.
No, it's true. Who could do the things you do just like you. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah.
All right, so we just finished putting everything away. I'm gonna show you guys, this is what my fridge is looking like. Ooh. I definitely wanna get like those things on Amazon where like the cans come out like and I put it in one. Eventually I will do that, but this is what it's looking like so far. I have all my sauces here and then my wines. I have my fruit in here, my cheese and my meat, my eggs, some rosé, my creamer, my water, some like protein shakes, and this is like a health drink. And then obviously I have like my butter and all that stuff there. Got my milk in there. And then so far I just have my TV dinners, some chicken, and my ice cream. This is what my pantry looks like. Got all my goods. I'm really excited. This is like all my pasta sauce and stuff like this, my protein bars and like health packets. Obviously my cup of noodles, my movie theater popcorn, got my Oreos, got all my gum, my flour, and rice is up there, and then I have my bread up there. And then down here, I have all my chips so far and my crackers, and I'm loving the way it is looking. I love it. So that is it for the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed.
We did that.
We did that. It was simple, quick,
and cute.
easy. Don't forget to subscribe. Tomorrow is very exciting, so
Yeah.
stay tuned for the next vlog in a couple days
tuned.
because my couch is being delivered tomorrow. So I can't wait to do a little couch
We are
reveal.
so close to the end. It's unbelievable.
It's insane.
we
I
did
feel
stuff in,
like-
3 days.
Yeah,
Like, who does that?
It's insane.
Mama
it's
Donna.
insane.
And TT.
So much has happened, and then I get my mirror tomorrow as well. So yeah, so just stay tuned. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in the next vlog. Bye.